90% of you are being robbed. Why is i9 failing while Ultra 5 dominates? I wasted thousands decoding their architecture. Stop the gamble.
Honestly, a Core i3 computer is just simple. There's really nothing complicated about it. It doesn't try to show off at all. You just press the button and it turns on. Then, you open up your browser. You open up a couple of tabs. And honestly, you just forget the computer's there. It's perfect for a student grinding out homework, or just watching a movie after a long day, or an office worker dealing with tons of emails. For all that, this chip is more than enough. Look, not everybody needs a high-end racing bike. Sometimes, a basic bicycle just makes more sense. The best part is, it barely uses any power, which means it doesn't get hot at all. And the fan? It's completely silent. You can easily leave it running all night. This chip doesn't have any crazy promises, and literally nobody will even notice. But it gets the job done right. No drama, no weird glitches, no fuss. It just works without throwing a fit. So if you're not doing heavy, intense work, this is honestly the smartest move you can make. Why pay extra for power you'll never use? Let's talk about the real sweet spot. Meet the mighty Core i5 processor today. This is where things get really fun, because you aren't just browsing basic websites. You want to run some heavy games, or maybe edit a cool YouTube video, having 50 heavy tabs open at once. And this chip just smiles at you. It handles heavy multitasking like a boss. No lagging, no stuttering, zero annoying freezes. It's the ultimate jack of all trades. Strong enough for serious weekend gaming sessions. Fast enough to crush your daily workload. Best part is, it stays totally affordable. Serious premium performance without those crazy prices. It's truly the perfect middle ground choice. Your video rendering moves incredibly fast now. Frame rates stay high during intense fights. It delivers exactly what you actually demand. Core i5 is just built differently, honestly. Now, let's step up to the big leagues. Enter the absolute beast, the Core i7. This isn't just about playing games anymore. This is about total, uncompromising raw power. You want to scrub through 4K video timelines? Or render massive, complex 3D scenes? This chip will chew through them instantly. You can stream, game, and record simultaneously. And it honestly won't even break a sweat. It's built for serious creators and hardcore gamers. People whose time is literally worth money. Staring at loading bars is basically over. It treats your heaviest workloads like an absolute joke. You get insane speeds and huge cache sizes, which makes your entire PC feel ridiculously snappy. Yeah, you'll need a solid cooler for this one, and it definitely costs a pretty penny. But when you need absolute peak performance, you simply don't have time for compromises. The Core i7 is the powerhouse you deserve. Alright, let's talk about the absolute monster. Welcome to the crazy world of Core i9. Honestly, most people will never need this. This is complete, beautiful, glorious overkill. It's built for the absolute top 1%. We're talking Hollywood-level video production here, or running complex AI models locally. It laughs at literally any heavy task. Open 100 tabs? It doesn't care. Render an 8K video while gaming? Easy. It's like having a supercomputer on your desk. But let's be totally real for a second. This chip runs incredibly, insanely hot. You will definitely need a massive liquid cooler, and your power bill might actually jump. Plus, it drains your bank account instantly. But if your PC makes you serious money, or you just want the ultimate bragging rights, there is literally nothing holding you back anymore. The i9 is the undisputed king of performance. Alright, let's talk about the new generation. Say goodbye to the old naming system. Meet the all-new Intel Core Ultra 5. This isn't just a regular i5 upgrade. Intel completely changed the game with this. The absolute biggest upgrade here is built-in AI. It has a dedicated brain just for AI. It handles smart background tasks completely locally, like blurring video backgrounds or generating quick images. Plus, the integrated graphics got a massive boost. You can actually play modern games now, without even buying an expensive graphics card. It's also ridiculously efficient with power. Your laptop battery will easily last all day. No more hunting for wall outlets constantly. It's honestly the smartest choice right now. Perfect for creators, students, and daily work. You get next-gen tech without crazy prices. It's fast, clever, and super efficient. Welcome to the future of mainstream PCs. Now, let's talk about the heavy hitter. The all-new Intel Core Ultra 7. This is where power meets pure efficiency. Designed for serious creators on the go. You get that dedicated AI engine inside, but with way more cores and threads. Editing 4K videos on battery? No problem. It handles heavy software without any sweat. The integrated ARC graphics are seriously impressive. Gaming on a thin laptop is beautiful. No bulky power bricks holding you down, and it's incredibly smart with power management. Your AI tools run instantly, right on device. No waiting for slow cloud servers anymore. It just chews through heavy multitasking daily. If you demand premium performance and mobility, this chip is an absolute game changer. It gives you desktop power anywhere, anytime. You literally never have to compromise again. Ultra 7 is just on another level. Finally, we reach the absolute final boss. Meet the absurdly powerful Core Ultra 9. This is where common sense leaves the chat. It literally has more brainpower than my boss. Imagine a NASA supercomputer hiding inside a laptop. It handles massive 3D rendering like a joke. The built-in AI is probably judging you honestly. You can comfortably edit 8K videos at cafes, while everyone else fights over the wall plug. It basically finishes tasks before you even click. Zero lag, zero freezing, just pure digital magic. But let's be painfully honest for a second. You might need to sell a kidney first, or maybe just skip paying rent this month. It's built for top-tier, absolutely crazy professionals, people who are literally allergic to loading bars. If you want the absolute, undisputed laptop king, and you really hate having savings in your bank,